Stop wasting money on detox teas and juice cleanses. Here's what actually works, and it's boring, but it works every time. 2 weeks to lose weight safely. No crash diets, no skipping meals, and definitely no weird pills. I'm going to give you 9 science-backed rules. If you follow just half of these, you will see a difference. Ready? Let's go. Rule 1, skip sugary beverages. Cut out liquid sugar. That means soda, sweet tea, bottled smoothies, Starbucks frappuccinos, even healthy fruit juice. 1 can of Coke has 10 teaspoons of sugar. Your body absorbs it instantly, straight to your belly. Switch to water, black coffee, or unsweetened green tea. Do this for 2 weeks and you'll drop water weight fast. Rule 2, eat whole foods. Eat whole foods. What does that mean? Anything that doesn't come in a box or a bag. Think apples, eggs, chicken breast, broccoli, brown rice, lentils. Avoid chips, crackers, frozen pizzas, protein bars with 30 ingredients. Processed foods trick your brain into overeating. Whole foods fill you up with fewer calories. Rule 3, reduce your protein temporarily. Now, Rule 3 might surprise you. Reduce your protein, but only for these 2 weeks. Wait, don't freak out. I'm not saying zero protein. I'm saying don't overdo the steaks, burgers, and protein shakes. Too much protein, especially red meat and processed meat, can slow digestion and add calories. Stick to lighter proteins like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, eggs, or plant-based like chickpeas. Rule 4, eat slowly. Eat slowly. Put your fork down between bites. Chew each bite at least 20 times. It takes 20 minutes for your stomach to tell your brain, I'm full. If you finish your meal in 7 minutes, you'll overeat every time. Try this. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Don't finish before it rings. You'll eat 20% less without even trying. Rule 5, water before meals. Drink 2 glasses of water before every meal. Studies show it cuts calorie intake by up to 75 calories per meal. That's 225 calories a day, almost half a pound a week just from water. Add lemon if you want, but no sugar. Rule 6, use a smaller plate. Swap your dinner plate for a salad plate. A smaller plate makes your brain think you're eating more. Fill half the plate with veggies, 1/4 with your lighter protein, and 1/4 with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. You'll feel full on fewer calories. Rule 7, walk 45 minutes a day. Walk 45 minutes every day. You don't need a gym. Just walk, morning, lunch break, or after dinner. Make it brisk like you're late for a meeting. Walking burns fat, reduces stress, and doesn't spike your hunger like running does. Rule 8, sleep 7-8 hours. Seriously, when you're sleep deprived, your body pumps out ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and cuts leptin, the stop eating hormone. Result? You crave donuts and chips. 1 week of bad sleep can add 2 pounds. Get your 7 to 8 hours. Rule 9, keep a food diary. Write down everything you eat and drink. You don't need an app. A notes page works. Studies show people who track food automatically eat 15% fewer calories. You'll catch them mindless snacking. Those 3 bites of your kid's sandwich, that handful of almonds, that second coffee with creamer. It adds up. Okay, recap for 2 weeks. Safe weight loss is half a pound to 2 pounds per week. In 2 weeks, aim for 1 to 4 pounds max. If you lose more, you're probably losing muscle or water, not fat. And always check with your doctor before changing your diet, especially if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, or kidney issues. Hit that like button if you're starting tomorrow. Subscribe for more real health tips. And hey, go drink a glass of water right now.